Hello, everyone. If you've recently updated to iOS 18.1, you may have noticed the new call recording feature. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off the call recording feature on your iPhone and remove the recording button entirely. Let's get started. To disable the call recording feature, follow these steps. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in, scroll all the way down until you see the Apps section and tap on it. This section lists all the apps installed on your iPhone. Now, look for the phone app in the list and select it. This will take you to a page where you can customize various options related to phone calls. Scroll down until you see the call recording option. There will be a single switch on this page that controls the call recording feature. Tap the switch to turn it off, and you're done. This will completely disable call recording on your iPhone, and the recording button will no longer appear during calls, ensuring you don't accidentally start recording. And that's how you can turn off or disable the call recording feature on iOS 18.1. It's quick, easy, and ensures you won't accidentally record calls in the future. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.